Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to tell you a beautiful and deeply inspiring story about how small daily habits can completely change your entire life, your mind, and your future. Please listen carefully, focus on the pronunciation, and try to repeat the sentences after me to improve your English speaking. My name is Sarah. Today, I want to share a very important secret with you that completely transformed who I am. Many years ago, when I was only 20 years old, my life was a complete mess. I was always stressed, constantly tired, and unhappy. I had developed a very bad, toxic habit of complaining about absolutely everything in my life. If the weather was too hot or if it rained, I complained. If my food was not perfectly cooked, I got angry and ruined my mood. Every single evening, I spent hours and hours mindlessly scrolling on my smartphone, looking at other people's beautiful vacation pictures on social media and feeling jealous of their success. I was constantly wasting my precious time, my mental health, and my youthful energy on negative, useless things. One lucky afternoon, when I was feeling deeply lost, I met an old, wise schoolteacher. She noticed my sad, stressed face and quietly sat next to me. She didn't give me a long lecture. Instead, she gently smiled and gave me a small, empty notebook with a black pen. She looked into my eyes and said, "Sarah, I want you to make a promise to me. Every single night, right before you close your eyes to sleep, open this notebook and write down exactly 3 good things that happened to you during the day. Only 3 small things." At first, I thought this exercise was silly and useless. It was extremely difficult for me because my brain was so used to thinking negatively. On the first night, I stared at the blank page for 10 minutes. Finally, I forced myself to write, "Today I saw a beautiful red flower in the park. I enjoyed a warm cup of coffee, and a kind stranger smiled at me on the bus." Slowly, day by day, this small action turned into a permanent daily habit. A fascinating thing started to happen. Because I knew I had to write 3 positive things every single night, my brain automatically started looking for beautiful, positive moments all day long while I was walking, working, or talking to people. Within a few short months, my entire mindset completely changed. I completely stopped complaining about small problems. I transformed into a much happier, more peaceful, grateful, and highly confident woman. I finally realized that our small daily habits are what create our daily reality. If you want to change your life, you must change your habits first. Thank you so much for listening to Sarah's story today. Always remember, your small daily choices decide where you will stand tomorrow. If you want to practice your English listening skills with more motivational stories, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, Learning Room Pro, and comment below right now. I will build good habits.